In Lab Archives, you can set up custom permissions of can view, can edit, or no access to different parts of a notebook or the entire notebook. You can also designate user roles to have granular control over the rights in the notebook. For most labs getting started, one individual will create all notebooks and invite other members of the team to view or edit the entire notebook. Every notebook in Lab Archives has a notebook owner. The owner of a notebook can edit the entire notebook and they can control who has access to the data. Typically, a PI, supervisor, or lab manager will own all notebooks. An owner can access Manage My Account, User Management, and Group Management. The notebook owner or a designated administrator can share the entire notebook with others. To share the entire notebook, click the triple dot menu, Notebook Settings, and then click the User Management tab. User Management allows you to see everyone that has access to this notebook. To share your notebook, click the New User button at the top. You can type in the individual's email address and then click Add User. This individual will receive an email letting them know that a notebook has been shared. This person also now has the role of user and they are in the full access group, meaning they have edit access to the entire notebook. You can adjust the user role by clicking the drop-down menu here. With the role of administrator, this person can share the notebook with others. You can also change this user's role to guest. A guest can be given edit rights for 60 days. After 60 days, the guest access will become read-only. A guest cannot share data, but they can be given comment privileges. Typically, a guest is an external collaborator or an undergraduate student. If you use page signing or witnessing, you can grant these rights by clicking the checkboxes here. To remove someone's access to a notebook, click the trash icon to the far right of that person's name. Removing someone's access to a notebook does not remove their work. Lastly, the notebook owner can transfer ownership to another member of the notebook. They can do that by clicking this ownership transfer button. This may be used to provide a PI or manager full control over the notebook. You do not have to share the entire notebook. The notebook owner and administrators can set up custom permissions of can view, can edit, and no access to different parts of a notebook. To invite someone to view a specific folder or page, right-click on the name of that folder or page, and then select Share. To share a single entry, hover your mouse over the entry and click this share icon. You will see this share window. You can type in a user's email address and then select to edit or to view. You have the option to add a subject and message, and then click Send. Now this individual will have guest access to this part of the notebook. Remember, a guest can edit the notebook for 60 days. After 60 days, their access will become read-only. You can also create group permissions in Lab Archives. Groups allow you to control permissions for several individuals at once. To create a group, click the triple dot menu, Notebook Settings, and then the Group Management tab. Click this New Group button. Here you can add a group name, an optional description, and then select Add Group. To delete a group, simply click the trash can icon next to that group's name. After a group is made, you need to indicate the members of the group. On the User Management tab, click the pencil icon in the Group Membership column next to an individual's name. Here you can select the group that you would like this individual to be in, and then click OK. Keep in mind, guests cannot be added to groups. To view the assigned permissions for a page, folder, or for the whole notebook, you can right-click on the page or folder name and then select Permissions. The Groups or People with Access tab shows everyone with access. The Rights column will let you know if that individual can view, can edit, or no access to this data. You can change an individual's rights using the drop-down menu. If you have created a group, you can adjust the rights for everyone in the group. Keep in mind the most inclusive privilege wins. You can expand rights for the member of a group, but you cannot restrict them. This means if a group can view access to a page, I can give a specific user in that group edit access, but I cannot restrict them to no access. Manage My Account allows notebook owners to manage access to all notebooks that they own. To access Manage My Account, click your name at the top and then select Manage My Account. This page will display everyone with access to the notebooks that you own. To add a new user to your account, click Add Person. You can type in their email address, select the role, and then click the check mark for each notebook that you would like to share. You can use this drop-down menu to change a user's role in every notebook that you own. To remove the user from all notebooks, you can click this trash icon here. And if you'd like to see what notebooks that a user can access, you can click this notebook icon. If you want to learn more about the tools available in Lab Archives, please check out our knowledge base by clicking the help icon and selecting knowledge base. And as always, if you have any questions or need any help, please reach out to us at support@labarchives.com. To subscribe to our videos, click the Lab Archives logo on the left. For additional training videos, click on the link to the right.